Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the third question of exercise 11.3. So we have if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. So we'll use the same formula which is used in the first and second question. So let's just part down. Tan 2a. Since 2a is an acute angle, I can write tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. Since tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, where theta lies between 0 and 90, which is the acute angle. So I can write tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. This cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, which is given in the question. So since cot theta is equal to cot b, I can say if cot a equal to cot b, then a equal to b. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Next, if I shuffle the elements here and there, so 90, if I bring minus 18 to this side, it will be plus 18. And bring this minus 2a this side, so it will be. Now, 90 plus 18 is equal to 108, and a plus 2a is equal to 3a, as therefore a will be equal to 108 by 3, which is equal to 36. That's it. A is equal to 36 degrees. So if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2 is acute angle, then the value of a equal to 36 degrees. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more solutions.